Hey guys, I know I haven't made a video in a while. I'm diving in. I'm going to start bringing videos all the time of whatever antics we're up to. We're always up to something. The sun's coming out. It's been 60 degrees. We're going to be up to a lot more now because we do some in the winter. We did a lot more because pretty much everyone bought snowmobiles this year. But in the summertime, we got trucks, we got pit bikes, we got four-wheelers, we got whatever we can get our hands on. We got race cars. My buddy has a race car, so we go and watch him on some Saturdays, and we do everything that we can do to have fun. So hopefully we'll be able to bring a lot of videos. I know my brother will be around here a lot. Aiden will be around here a lot. You guys have seen them in past videos. Aiden's the one with the Dodge. He actually wants to put a Cummins in that, so he's going to be going to school for a while, but when he's done, hopefully we can buy a Cummins from somewhere down south, because we're in Michigan, so everything's rusty. So we kind of want to redo the body on his a little bit. There's a couple things that are starting to rust because he had to drive it last winter. He bought a car now though, so he doesn't have to drive it in the wintertime, and he wants a Cummins. So we're going to be doing that for him, and a lot of other stuff. There's a lot of stuff we want to do. We'll see how much of it we can actually get to with how busy everyone is and how everyone's schedule isn't really lining up yet perfectly right, but hopefully it'll be good this summer. We're here in the backyard, and it's safe to say that snowmobile season it's done. It's like 59 degrees outside right now. We're about to be getting these things back out and going fishing soon by the looks of it. I think the ice is coming off the lakes pretty quick, but that right there is pretty much where the most snow in my yard was, and it's pretty much all gone. There was quite a bit there, but we rode the sled in that quite a bit, so it's all gone. Finding cans and stuff that are in the yard that have been sitting there, but so I think today we're gonna fire the truck up and go take this thing and give it a wash. Last time I rode it, I was carving with my brother's sled and had my sled parked right behind it, so it kind of got a little spray action. If it's windy, sorry about the wind, but it's officially spring around here, so that's great. We got a little bit of snow there, but pretty much time to put it away. So fire the truck up, get hooked up to the trailer, go to the car wash, get it washed, and then that'll be that for you. So alright guys, we got the trailer all loaded up. It's amazing how when you pull a camera out in a small town like West Branch and you're walking around your front yard, it's amazing how everybody driving by just stares at you and they're like, what in the hell, oh, is this kid doing talking to a frickin' camera out in his front yard? And I live on a pretty busy road, so there's plenty of people driving by that are like, what the fuck is going on? Pick you up so we don't drop you here. And I did not put my dog in his cage, so that ought to be good. When I get home, probably have stuff all over the place. So we acquired some help. We got Nick to help us.
Shut the fuck up.
And there he is. warm. So the last time you saw me, we were taking care of the snowmobile right here. It's in the shed. The shed's a mess. But we got Aiden, Dodge guy. We got Z, 90 Chevy. We're going to put a 383 stroker in it, it sounds like. And we made a decision last night. We're going to put something in the Blazer, whether it's a 5.3 or what it is, I don't know yet. But we're going to do something to that so that it's fast and maybe we can drift it around here and have some fun with it. It's going to be a tire killer anyways. But we're going to take some pictures right now. One of our buddy's trucks, he's got a newer F-150. It's all done up and he's got underglow and big wheels and tires and all that good stuff. So we're going to go take some pictures of that, get some rollers of that, and then maybe eventually we'll find some spots. And when our trucks are done, we'll take some pictures and some rollers of our trucks. But right now, our trucks are all work in progresses. We got a lot we want to do to them, and not a lot of it's done yet. But we'll check back with you guys later.
Young Gerald. This is the anthem. Told the world I need everything and some. Yeah, 2 girls, that's a tandem. She gon' do it all for me when them bands come. Got it all, yeah, I'm young, rich, and handsome.
"24 hours, nigga, 7 days a week. Me, I don't get tired, I let you other niggas sleep. Turn up for that check and yeah, I get it out the streets. Hustle like I'm starving, going hard, I gotta eat. I get it out the mud. Yeah, yeah. I get it out the mud. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Watch out, break my wrist. Make that water whip. Stretch it out and flip. I'm all up on my chill. I get it out the mud. Yeah, yeah. I get it out the mud. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Loyalty over royalty, y'all niggas know the vibes.
Fuck your kill this beat.
Whoop it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie.